the coloring part, if you want to do color part, you can use acrylic colors or you can use poster colors. It's up to you. So if you are using acrylic or poster color, what you have to do is you have to know about the color combination, what color combination you have to use. Those are the small things you have to know about this art form. So I just quickly show you little bit. For example, the face part, if I create the face part, how I can create it. So I'm going to take my poster colors into this session, and I just show you how to fill the colors and how to add the color, like the base color in your artwork, and how to do the little bit detailing. I just show you here so that you have an idea. Okay, here I am going to use yellow color. With this yellow color, you can use little bit of orange shade, very little amount of orange shade I want to mix. So this color, I can add it on the skin part. If you want, you can change the shades of the skin color by using white, brown, orange, yellow. Okay, that depends upon the subject. In this art form, we have brownish shade also. So just take your color and just apply it on your artwork. So now I just add the base color here on the ear part. Don't forget to add on the ear part, and other part like the neck part. The same color you can use for other body parts also. So remember which part is the body part and which is not. As we use little bit of orange into it, because if you are using the yellow color, the jewelry part and the skin color is going to be mixed together, which we don't want. And in this way, you can just create little bit different shade you can use in the skin color, so that the work looks little different. Okay, so now I'm going to use the yellow color here for the jewelry part. In the jewelry part, not only yellow color, we have used white color as well as red color in the jewelry part. So I just take directly chrome yellow color here, and I just feel this color here in this part. In the camera, maybe it's not looks different, but in real life, if you can see, it looks little different. And also, I just want to add here as well as here. You can also use white color in your artwork to enhance your artwork. But here I just want to feel the yellow color and red color like this. Okay. Now I'm going to take another color, which is the red color. Now I'm taking this red color, which is the crimson red color. This red color, I'm going to use it before it's little bit dry, I want. So I just wait for a few minutes. So for that, I just take the black color and fill the hair part in this part. So here I am taking the black color now, so that I can use the black color on the hair part. So just feel the black color directly. We don't want to add anything. Just add little bit of water and feel it. Now what I did is I just make the outline part and the feel the black color inside it. Then we will do the detail work with the white color. Okay. Now this is little bit dry. We have to wait the black color to be dry. At that time, I just use the black color in the eyeball. So let it dry. Then we can use this. Like this, you can feel the black color. Now I'm going to take the red color as the yellow color is little bit dry. Now I'm taking the red color and feel this circle part. Make sure your base color is dry. In this way, you have to add some base color. Feel the color. And at the end, I will take the white color for the detail and intricate work. So take white color. Now I'm going to take white color. Now I'm going to take the white color and start making the detail work, as I have to wait for it to be dry properly. And like this, we will start adding the circles, little bit dot in circle form, we will add it here. To make the detail work. Okay. I hope it's clear to all of you. Any question anyone has, please let me know. And I have to add this black color here also, which I'm going to add it later on. And now I just add it like this and complete the whole painting. Okay. So as a background, we are not adding anything. So I just show you here a little bit more detailed work. So for the gajra part, we will add small lines here to make the gajra part. Okay, like this. Just randomly add some strokes. And also, you can add some more detailed work here in the back side of the bun part. You can add some detailed work like this. Here also you can add some more detailed dots pattern. And at the end, I will take the black color and outline the whole painting to complete this face part. Okay, is it clear? I just add overlap this color here. And at the end, we are going to outline the whole painting with the black color. So black color you can take, or you can also take black outliner to outline the whole painting, and you can complete your work like that. So I'm going to take my black color and outline my work. After it dry only, you have to do this. Okay. Yes, only human figures with the background of like the village scenery, like little bit of tree, then animals, little bit the day-to-day life you can find, and some mythological paintings you can find. Ramayana, Mahabharata, Krishna Leela, those are the topics we cover in this type of art form. I just outline the whole painting like this and complete it. Like this, you just add some white color here, as the background is not red color. So I just make the nose pin in this side. The same type of nose pin, you can do it on the other side also. So in this way, you can complete your work. If you want, you can decorate it in little bit more dots and detail work also. It's up to you. So in this way, you can create the face of Cheriyal painting. Okay.